All right, Winnipeg, we'll see you later. Hey, you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Big changes for us in the last few months, probably the biggest of which is that I left my job of 17 years to join Lindsay, freelancing for He Goes, She Goes Digital.
This means we'll be adding to the focus of our channel, which is super exciting. We're going to be sharing our experiences of living and working on the road while we travel, and more specifically for the next 3 months while we're working and living right here in Mexico.
So lots more about that coming. Right now, let's go check out our Airbnb apartment. Okay, that's our apartment right there. Beep, beep, beep. No surprise, we're back in Mexico. We absolutely love this country. This time we're here for 3 months and we're gonna go to 3 different cities, starting here in Puerto Vallarta.
It's not our first time visiting Puerto Vallarta. We have been here before a couple of years ago and we had a great time during that visit. We actually made a video and you can check it out somewhere up here if you're interested in some of our favorite experiences.
Shower's great, tons of water pressure.
This is the spot that we'll be working in. It's an awesome little desk space. There's tons of room here and the Wi-Fi is so fast. It's faster than a Wi-Fi at home, I think, or at least pretty close. So it's awesome. It basically lets us live life on the road and work. I wouldn't really call us digital nomads. We're more like midlife nomads.
Okay, since we're in Mexico for a few months, we wanted to make sure that every apartment we booked, every Airbnb had a great kitchen, and this one is awesome. It's a fully stocked kitchen. It's exactly what we need for cooking at home. In fact, this is where Lindsay does all the cooking, and this is where Lindsay does all the dishes, and this is where Lindsay...
So we chose Versalles as our neighborhood for this leg of the journey, and we're going to talk more about that in an upcoming video, but essentially we picked it because it's a hip, trending residential neighborhood filled with awesome bars and restaurants, a super cool vibe, and it's outside of the main tourist area.
Versalles is more a place that you live, not so much a place to come vacation. In fact, condo buildings, new condo buildings are being thrown up all the time around here. A lot of activity, really cool.
We've only been here for a day so far and already we've done amazing things. We have had some wonderful food. We've had amazing cocktails.
I feel like I'm a little too low onto the bar.
We did a little grocery shopping to stock up the apartment.
I don't know, will this be enough? Oh, I think I hurt my back.
Agua. Mucho agua. And we walked to the beach. So due to a little bit of Airbnb maneuvering and kookiness, we're not actually staying in Versalles for the entire time we're in Puerto Vallarta. In a week or so, we're moving to another neighborhood here in the city, which is awesome. We're really excited about that. And then from there, we're going to Guadalajara for almost a month, and then on to Morelia for a month, then back to Puerto Vallarta for another little bit before we head home. So lots more to come. That thing says refreshing, like a hot cappuccino on a hot 34-degree day. If you're somebody who's thinking about working remotely now or anytime soon, consider subscribing to our channel. It means a great big deal to us, and also we'll be sharing our experiences, so it might be helpful for you.